said, "Quack, quack, quack!" But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming wide, gliding softly side by side. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack!" But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks ran fast and free, chasing butterflies near a tree. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack!" But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck felt all alone, waddled home with a gentle tone. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack!" And all 5 little ducks came back. Quack, quack, quack!